Management is like fitness training and more. And now you all think that I've completely lost it, but maybe not. Maybe I can convince you to my camp on this one. Let's find out. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I invite you to subscribe to my channel right below here. Hit the bell button so you don't miss any of the future acceleration tips. Now, I'm a certified fitness trainer, but that's not why we're here. I don't practice the profession. That's not what I do. There are people who are way better in that profession. But I always wanted to compare and create the interlink between fitness training and career management. And here's how. If you think about fitness training, in your early years, you want to be attractive. You want to be on demand. The middle age, the goal changes from maybe being attractive to the crowds to staying alive. You want to have a prolonged life and to have a relatively healthy life and a nice life expectancy, at least through your own means. You can also relieve stress. Fitness, sports relieve stress. You gain energy and clarity. It also helps you to reach your goal of being presentable. Maybe you don't care about the sports results, but you want to be reasonably presentable, maybe through your work or other means. Is it hard work? It is hard work. You almost need to do daily activity if you want to have proper results. But is it really hard? If it's 1 hour per day, how hard is it? What is hard? It's all relative. It's easier when you're young, and it's harder when you grow old. Metabolism gets slower, recovery gets slower. Easy in the younger years, harder when you get old. It's a lifelong effort. You can't stop. You let go and you get fat. You let go and you get health problems. And your coach, when you hire a fitness coach, how do you want that coach to look like? Probably fit, to have a bit of a credentials that whatever he or she is teaching works. And you probably look for somebody who's certified, right? And finally, we all look for shortcuts. How do I stay fit, get fit in the minimum possible time? Now let's swing to the career management side. What's the goal? In the early years, be attractive, be on demand. Build something that is attractive not just for you, but for the outside world as well. This changes when you grow older. You need to stay alive. Yes, it helps you to stay alive. It helps you to provide a basic living, stress relief, gain energy and clarity. Yes, if you know where you're going with your career, if you plan it properly, it reduces the stress. It gives you energy and clarity. That's where I'm heading, and I know where I'm going. It helps you to be presentable. Well, presentable in a way that when you do what you want to do, you can present yourself in a way that you want, in the jobs that you want, in your family surrounding. If you do something that you absolutely hate, you're not going to be very presentable through your actions and through your words. Is it hard work? Almost every day. 10 hours a day. Weekends, you get off. 5 days a week, 10 hours a day. Maybe it's 8 hours working, but it's travel, it's commute, it's thinking about the work. It's 90,000 hours throughout your career. Hard work. Remember, fitness was 1 hour a day. It's easier when you're young. You have more paths, more energy, and it's harder when you grow old. That sounds similar, right? What about the duration? It's a lifelong effort. Same as fitness. Lifelong effort to plan your career, to see where you're going, to make sure that from now to retirement, it goes in a way that you would like to go. You let go and you toast with your career. Letting go here is not letting go to the gym. It means when you stop learning. When you stop learning, you toast. Your coach, you want your coach to be preferably with the industry experience that you need and the knowledge of the certifications to help you in a proper coaching structure. And yes, we're definitely asking for shortcuts. How to get to the big contract money, how can I advance my career faster so I get to that point and this point. We also look for shortcuts. So what is the point that I'm trying to make here? The point is, career management is an integrated part of our lives. Just like taking care of our physical health. And career management is not just a job search or going to a university to get a degree. Just like fitness, career management impacts your life on a grand scale. Take care of yourself, manage your career, execute your plan. Some reflection points to get you going with this. Ask yourself these questions. Is my start of the week pain or joy? Does my career and what it takes fit the rest of my life? Do I know what my next step is? Do I know how the job description of my next step job looks like? Do I know all the gaps to the next position, and am I taking action to bring myself closer to my next step? And finally, am I helping others to fill their gaps in their journeys? When was the last time I asked somebody if they needed help? Thank you.